As promised, here are the answers to the slightly cryptic pathology quiz. The connection between the fish and the heart valve is the appearance of the heart valve is similar to that of a fish mouth, and this is the fish mouth deformity of a rheumatic mitral valve. And here is the link to the video on heart valve disease. Question 2 was, first of all, who is this cartoon character? This is a cartoon character from the 1920s in America, and this is little Orphan Annie. And the significance of Orphan Annie is that the rather empty looking eyes have a similar appearance to the nuclei in a papillary carcinoma of the thyroid, hence the term Orphan Annie nuclei. And here is a link to the video of thyroid neoplasms. The third question was, what is the connection between this stag and the tumour? Well, the stag has horns, and the thin-walled vessels in this tumour have a staghorn configuration, and the tumour is a solitary fibrous tumour, or SFT. And here is the link to the solitary fibrous tumour video. Question number 4 was, what is the connection between the appearance of this brick wall and the skin condition? This, unfortunately, is the brick wall at the bottom of our garden, and it is a little bit dilapidated. And the appearance of the keratinocytes in parts of the epidermis of Hailey-Hailey disease show the characteristic appearance of a dilapidated brick wall. And just click the card above for the pathology mini tutorial about Hailey-Hailey disease. The final question was, who is this character? And that is Sonic the Hedgehog. The brain tumour is a brain tumour occurring in childhood called a medulloblastoma, and the significance of Sonic the Hedgehog is that there is a subtype of medulloblastoma called the Sonic Hedgehog medulloblastoma, or SHH medulloblastoma, or subtype 2 medulloblastoma. Here is the link to the pathology mini tutorial about medulloblastomas. So I hope you enjoyed the quiz and found it useful and entertaining. And let me know if you want some more quizzes in the future. If so, I shall try to oblige.